if you're looking at how to use Fusion 360 on your Chromebook, this is the tutorial for that. If you're trying to install the program on a PC or a Mac, like the same way we use it in class, you would do this one up here. So for this one, click Fusion 360 for Chromebook and click here. And then you're going to log in the same way you do in class. You're going to click Launch Fusion 360 here. And then you may have to click it again. Every once in a while, there's a second one where it says Launch it again, or you have to sign in. Notice I didn't sign in. It will ask you to sign in. And just sign in the same way you do in your class. And in your browser, you're going to see that you're on the internet, you're on a browser in Chromebook just like this with, maybe emails and Google Classroom right here. For example, I can still go to Google Classroom here, but you'll see that in this tab, it's still loading Fusion 360. Now be patient. This can take a few minutes. It could take up to 5 minutes or so installing Fusion 360 in the background in this browser. So it does take a while. It's a very big program. And but once it's done, you'll see it's exactly the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this recording and start it again when it's done. Okay, so here's the where it popped up. It popped up this. You could turn off this learning panel. Hopefully it's off for you. If not, uncheck that. And then click OK. Learning panel is just going to add a big panel for people who never use Fusion 360, and it's going to tell them what all the different, like little tools and stuff are. But this should look exactly like the classroom or very close to it. It's just going to be inside of a browser. You can still see, could be a little bit laggy, although students have told me, that it works fairly decent. So, and you can tell that if I click Sketch, and I choose a plane, it seems pretty smooth here, and it rotates around for me automatically. And you can click shapes and click things, click dimension. You can tell how wide things are, 3 inches. You can go to your document settings and you can change your units. So it's very similar to class. And you can finish sketches and you can extrude, and everything seems to work pretty well and pretty normal as usual. So hopefully this works for you and you can get caught up in the assignments if you ever fall behind.